Amajimbos exit tournament, eyes on World Cup improvement. South Africa's under-17 team, Amajimbos, has been knocked out of the tournament after a 3-1 defeat to Morocco. Despite a promising start and dominating large parts of the match, defensive lapses proved costly. Coach praised the team's first-half performance, highlighting their ball control and passing game that unsettled the North Africans. Mareletse impressed in midfield, linking well with Witbooi, while Bohloko netted South Africa's only goal. "We started well and were unlucky to trail at halftime after a defensive mistake," said the coach. "We deserved the equalizer, but two avoidable goals shifted the momentum." Witbooi showed flashes of brilliance but lacked the final touch. While the loss stings, there are valuable lessons to take forward. As the World Cup approaches, improving defensive solidity and clinical finishing will be key. Amajimbos showed heart and talent, now it's about turning promise into results.